2011 Nissan Titan V8 Blacked Out Edition. Got factory converters there and there. Then it's true dual from the factory. And what we did, continued that true dual right there. No X pipe, nothing. And then put FLOWMASTER Super 10s, two of them, a pair of them. And then we did it out the side. Man, I can't talk this morning, sorry guys. With black 4-inch angle cut tips right there. So it's out the side in front of the tire. Like that. There it is, FLOWMASTER Super 10s. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Yep. Let you guys hear the sound decibels on it again. One more. 113. Woo. 113. Come on, bring it back. Not bad at all, not too shabby. Let you guys hear on the inside. Nissan Titan side pipes, FLOWMASTER Super 10.